Hi there, this is James from Social Intents, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily add Google Chat into your website so that you can talk to your website visitors right from Gmail or Google Chat. Offer live customer support, answer questions, or enable your AI chatbot with escalation to your team members in Google when it makes sense. To get started, simply sign up for a free trial for Social Intents. Once you do that, you can head over to the integrations link and you click the connect or reconnect on the Google Chat integration. This will route you to install the live chat application to a space in Google. And once you do that, you'll be able to receive your live chat requests in the next space. In our case, we installed to one called LC for live chat. When you're ready to test the integration, you can go to apps, click on your live chat application and click the preview link. This will route you to a preview page. It'll have the code snippet that you can install on your website to enable the chat. And by default, the chat's going to look something like this. You can customize with your logo, your text, your pre-sales information. You can decide what information you'd like to capture up front from the visitors. So I say hi there. In our case, we have the AI enabled initially. So the AI is going to respond. You can configure with your models, Claude, Gemini, or ChatGPT, and train it on your business data. We also have escalation phrases and escalation intents. So if a customer has a billing question, you can route it to your billing team, your billing space. If they have a technical question, you can route it to a different space in Google. In our case, we just have a talk to an agent shortcut. In this case, we invite then the chat agent in Google. You'll see that we have a chat request come in, and with a conversation up to that point. Now, I can either join the chat within threads here or join as a DM. The DM will just pull it to my direct messages where I can chat directly with that user in the live chat chatbot. So if I type hi there at this point, right to the DM message, then I'll be chatting with the visitor on the website. And you'll see the conversation will get relayed back and forth. And then the AI chatbot drops out of the conversation at that point. So you can set up this for website chat if you want to send your WhatsApp messages, your Facebook messages, or SMS messages. You can also set up those integrations for your customer side to route over to Google Chat to answer your chats. If you have any more questions, please visit us at socialintents.com. Thank you.